Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Don't forget to hit the like and also the subscribe button. You're watching a live trade of us trading Nasdaq futures. Now you notice that we got in this trade short. You see the strong red bar that's coming in. That's showing that it's a lot of selling pressure. If we look back on the chart earlier, pre-market before the US Open, the market was going a little bit higher, right? Then we see the little uptrend. Then it started the curve to start to go down in a downtrend. So as technical traders, we have to always understand what direction that we are in. Since we're in a downtrend, it's a higher probability to take a trade short. This is a nice clean trade setup for you guys to see. This is what we teach our students at theprofitroom.com. Even though we see this actual chart, we're taking a lot of other factors into consideration before we enter this trade. So if you want to stay up to date with a lot of our educational products, go to theprofitroom.com and hit the subscribe button. As you see, we're still in this trade with two contracts. We believe in a stronger move. So that's very important when you're trading any market. A lot of us can get very scared very quickly, and that's okay. As a newbie, we always say, if you see the money, take it. We're in this trade so far, probably under 3 minutes, and we're up over $1,000. This is life-changing, and this is what we teach our students how to do every single day on a consistent basis. Now we're going to start exiting out the position. That means we're going to start cashing out very soon when we get to our levels. As you see, we have one contract left. Now this is the gravy. This is the extra icing on the cake. We exit this trade in under 5 minutes for $2,000. So if you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com, where we focus on education, application, and success.